Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to start a new series where I show you my trades live. This is the trading journey, so these trades might lose. We'll see how it goes. Today, for the start, I have a pretty good trade to show you here on Euro USD. So let me break this down to you. Here we have the uptrend on the 1 hour, because as you can see here, there was a downtrend going on. And I made a trend line here to show that the price was going down and further down. But then there was a reversal here and we broke this downtrend. And as you can see, we started to make a higher high and a higher low as well. So because of that, I was now certain that we are in an uptrend. And we went all the way back up here to this support. And that's when I went to draw this little trend line. I'll show the 15-minute because it's clearer. But then we had a little retracement and back to this big support. And this support is also, a big support in 1 hour. So that's the second confluence I have. I drew this support here. It's been respected many times around here with wicks. And so this was an area that I was waiting the market to come back in. And on top of that, we have the 200 EMA here. You can see this line. And this 200 EMA is showing that there is probably going to be support. The price tends to react on it. So this paired with an already existing support was very likely that the price would shoot up. And then I went down to the 15 minutes to show you how it is. So here we're clearly in a downtrend at the time. But then, as you can see, I drew this trend line here, touching each of the higher points. And we broke through that trend line with a big bullish candle here, that one. So I entered somewhere here. And my last entry was on the 1 minute. And on the 1 minute, we also have the same signal that the trend line broke with this huge candle. And it also broke the 200 EMA. So of course it's 1 minute, it's not as significant, but still this EMA is also a nice signal. And then I just waited for this little pullback and then I entered the trade. And I targeted this area here, which is just this high. But I think on my trading platform, I actually went a bit up here for this high here. And now we can see that it's been about an hour and the price is almost reaching my target. Let's see, it could still just wick here and reverse and stop me out, but I hope that it will continue here. And I have then a second trade that is very similar. It's on the GPY. And here we can also go back from the 1 hour. And there is 4 confluences here. So we have clearly the uptrend. You can see the price is just shooting up and it has been doing this for a while already. Then we have a fib retracement level here. As you can see, the price went back to retest this 0.61 and the 0.5 of Fibonacci. So here, usually, as I showed in another video, this is an area that the price will react to, and that's a very interesting entry point for us. And then we also have the support here because, as you can see, this was already a resistance at once and twice retested. Then here again, the price reacted to it, to this area here. So this is clearly an area of support, and I think if we would go back in time, there is probably more price action before that. But the thing that really made me want to go is this huge candlestick, and this is 1 hour, guys. So this is really significant to have such a wick. This means that the price went down and people tried to sell, but then it just got all bought up back. So probably by institutions to move the market that much. And because of that, when I saw this on the 1 hour and I went down to the 15-minute, I could see that this is clearly a very strong impulsive candle up, which is extremely bullish. And because of that, I went down to the 1 minute and I waited that we just retest this support. We broke through here. As you can see, this candle could have been an entry, but I was still sleeping at the time. And then we went back to retest and we broke through again. And that's where I entered, so that I was sure that this was not just a fake out and that we would keep going down. I just saw that there was another big candle here, which is bullish. And then we had a first move, then another retest, and now the market is kind of moving sideways in the 1 minute. But if we go to the 15 minute, I think it's pretty likely that we will at least go to that next resistance area. So this one is still going on. Let's see how it goes, and I'll show you tomorrow the result of these two trades. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.